Assalamualaikum. My name is Aila Misara binti Junaini. My student number is 2022201134.
Hi, my name is Aila Misara binti Sufyan. My student ID is 2022695838.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Rashatima. My student ID is 2022206754.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So my name is Syadina bin Muhammad Ruslan. So my student ID is 2022412926.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Afiq Azizi bin Muhammad Najib.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Ahmad Zulullah Najmi bin Abdul Aziz.
Question number 1. Find dy dx for the following functions. For Raman, y equal to 3 over square root 3x plus 1. For this question, we use change rule. First, change square root to the power and bring denominator above. So, y equal to 3 bracket 3x plus 1 power of negative half. Now, we differentiate y and 3x plus 1. So, dy dx equal to negative 3 over 2 bracket 3x plus 1 power of negative 3 over 2. We multiply with 3. We solve the equation, so dy dx equal to negative 9 over 2 open bracket 3x plus 1 close bracket power of negative 3 over 2. To Raman, y equal to x power of 4 bracket 2x minus 5. Use product rule. Let u equal to x power of 4 and u prime equal to 4x power of 3. And v equal to 2x minus 5 and v prime equal to 2. Transfer the volume into the formula dy dx equal to uv prime plus vu prime. So dy dx equal to 2x power of 4 plus 8x power of 4 minus 20x power of 3. dy dx equal to 10x power of 4 plus 20x power of 3. So 3 Roman, y equal to 2 plus 3x divided with bracket 3 minus x power of 3. Use square rule. Let u equal to 2 plus 3x and u prime equal to 3. And v equal to bracket 3 minus x power of 3 and v prime equal to 3 times with 3 minus x power of 2. Move the value in dy dx equal to vu prime minus uv prime divided with v power of 2. We factorize bracket 3 minus x power of 2 to cancel the equation. So dy dx equal to 6x plus 15 divided with bracket 3 minus x power of 4. Last answer is dy dx equal to 3 times bracket 2x plus 5 divided with bracket 3 minus x power of 4.
Question 2, we will get this equation after we read the question, and it's gonna use product rule. So let's check it out. For product rule, we have to use product rule formula. The product rule formula is y prime equal to u v prime plus 2v u prime. We have to insert with data that we identify. First step, we have to identify y prime, u, v prime, v, u prime. From the equation that being given in the text, we can identify them. So we can move on to the next step. Next step, we have to insert the formula that given. We have to expand the bracket and get the answer at the last. After that, we have to plus the same power and isolate the number with the different power. And we will get at last 20x power of 4 plus 80x power of 3 and 75x power of 2. So we move to the next step, which is factorization with 5x squared. This is because we have to make it as quadratic equation for move to the next step. Next, we have the quadratic equation, and we have to use the calculator EQN, and we will get the answer for move on to the next step. Next, we have to find dy per dx at point 1, 4. From 1, 4 coordinate, we know that x equal to 1, so we have to put x equal to 1 in the answer of EQN that we get before. We replace x with 1 in the answer, and the final answer will be 175.
Question 3a, given 2 points A and B, find the value of x and y if the midpoint of straight line AB is 4 and 9 over 2. First thing first, you need to know the formula of midpoint, which is m equal to x2 plus x1 over 2 and y2 plus y1 over 2. And then you need to substitute the number into the formula, which is m bracket 4 9 over 2 equal to x plus 3 over 2 and 2 plus y over 2. And then you need to solve for x first, which is 4 equal to x plus 3 over 2, and then you multiply 2 by 4 and you get 8 equal to x plus 3, and then 8 minus 3 equal to x, and final answer for x is 5. Then you need to solve for y, which is 9 over 2 equal to 2 plus y over 2, and then 9 multiplied by 2 and 2 plus y multiplied by 2, and then you will get 18 equal to 4 plus 2y, and then 18 minus 4 equal to 2y, and you get 14 equal to 2y. 14 over 2 equal to y, and final answer for y, which is 7.
Question 3, given 2 points A 3y and B x2. Find the distance between A and B if x equal to 7 and y equal to 5. Use formula square root bracket x2 minus x1 bracket power of 2 plus bracket y2 minus y1 bracket power of 2. Y equal to 5, that means A is 3 5, 3 as x1 and 5 as y1. X equal to 7, that means B is 7 2, 7 as x2 and 2 as y2. Fill the information into the formula. That means square root bracket 7 minus 3 bracket power of 2 plus bracket 2 minus 5 bracket power of 2. Then square root bracket 4 bracket power of 2 plus bracket negative 3 bracket power of 2. After that, square root 16 plus 9. Then square root 25, and the answer equal to 5.
Next question 3b, given 2 points of P and Q, determine the equation straight line of PQ. First, you need to know the formula of gradient, which is m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So I need to substitute the value into the formula. So I got 16 minus 2 over 5 minus negative 3, and I got final answer 7 over 4. And then I use formula y equal to mx plus c, and I got y equal to 7 over 4x plus c. And then I choose either point P or Q to substitute into the formula, and I choose to use point P, and I got 2 equal to 7 over 4 bracket negative 3 plus c, and then I need to multiply negative 3 with 7 over 4, so I got 2 equal to negative 21 over 4 plus c, and then I got the final answer for c is 29 over 4. And then the equation is y equal to 7 over 4x plus 29 over 4.
For the question 3b2, the question asks us to find the equation straight line A that is perpendicular to line PQ and x intercept equal to 2. The formula for straight line is y equals to mx plus c. From the formula, you have to determine the gradient m, and we have to use perpendicular formula m1 times m2 equals to negative 1. The answer is negative 2 for gradient. From the question, we will know the point is 2 0. After we get the point, we have to find the intercept y. After that, substitute the point 2 0 into the straight line formula to find the intercept y, and the answer will be 4. After we get all the information, we have to substitute all the information into the formula y equals to mx plus c, and the equation will be y equals to negative 2x plus 4.
For the question 3b Roman 3, the equation asks us to find the equation of a straight line B that is parallel to PQ and passes through point and origin. From the equation, we already know the gradient m is 1 over 2. We can use the formula y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. After that, we have to substitute the gradient m and the point that we get into the formula, and we will get the final answer, that is y equals to 1 over 2x. That's all from me. Thank you.